Hello everyone, 46th question. The domain of f of x is equal to sine inverse log 2x by 2 is. Log base 2 x by 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ range of sine ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So range is -1, 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it lies between -1 log 2x by 2, 1. So throughout 2 log ನಾನು raise ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 to the power 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದು 1 by 2 less than x by 2 less than 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Throughout ನಾನು LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 less than x less than 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it is included with the -1 ಹಾಗಾಗಿ less than or equal to illu less than or equal to less than or equal to less than or equal to ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ. So less than or equal to less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4 is option B. So our answer is option B. Thank you.